Hello everyone, welcome you all once again to another small video of Dhaga collection. I'm Rupali on behalf of Dhaga, and today I'm here with something different. I'm getting a lot of requests to show something budget friendly though some party wear sarees. So here today I'm with our different kind of collection, I would say. Beautiful sarees will be there, and those all sarees are, most of them are very budget friendly. Okay, so let's begin then today's small video. First of all, I would like to mention the booking procedure. If you like anything from this video, do take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp booking number, that is 789-765-3873. Okay, and after confirmation you can make the payment, and we dispatch the product in 24 to 48 hours, and after that we share the tracking with you. Okay, it's a very simple procedure that we follow, and all sort of bank transaction you can use to make the payment, whichever is convenient for you. There is no issue. So let's begin then. Okay, first saree is the saree I am draping at this moment. It's a mixed tussar saree. This is not a pure silk mark saree. I would like to first mention this is a mixed tussar saree, but a beautiful digital Banarasi, I would say. Okay, so this has a beautiful digital print throughout the saree, and a very gorgeous palla, as you can see, and the colors is a kind of very light mauve color, beautiful shade and pastel shade actually basically, and the zari work in it, it's a kind of it's not at all flashy. You can see the palla portion is so grand. I'll show you in other saree that we do have. So this is the I'll start with showing you the palla first. Okay, so this is how the Banarasi palla, it's so beautiful. Do you see this very nice pattern? It's like diamond motif are there, and inside floral weaving design is there, and then it has this beautiful Banarasi palla also, this border line also throughout the saree. And in the saree you will see this kind of floral digital print throughout the saree. Along with that, you will get everywhere, you will get this Banarasi bootas also will be there like this. Okay, so this kind of Banarasi boota will be there for the entire saree. Everywhere you will find this. So basically these are known as Banarasi, digital Banarasi. But since these are not pure Banarasi silk, so I just want to mention here. And beautiful saree, very sober. If you have a very light kind of very like office party or something like that, definitely you can drape this kind of saree, and it's a gorgeous saree. Okay, and the palla is awesome, very beautiful, and this has a nice chinon silk blouse piece. Okay, so that's the blouse piece. It has a very nice border line, and throughout the blouse you will get this small digital floral portions. Okay, so this is on chinon silk. This is the first saree of today's video. Price for this saree is going to be, it's only 3300. Okay, it's 3300 plus shipping will be extra. ठीक है, तो इस साड़ी का जो प्राइस है, इस डिजिटल बनारसी आप बोल सकते हैं इसको, इस साड़ी का प्राइस है 3300 रुपये, और शिपिंग जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा. ठीक है, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट साड़ी. बहुत ही एक पेस्टल शेड के ऊपर है. अगर आपको पेस्टल शेड अच्छा लगता है, डेफिनेटली यू कैन गो फॉर दिस साड़ी. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस साड़ी. मूविंग टू अनदर, it's a organza saree. Okay, it's embroidered organza saree. You must have, everyone must be thinking what Rupali is showing today. It's totally different from what we generally show, but it's because of your love and it's your request that I'm just want to like follow, and that's why these sarees are here. Okay, so this is a beautiful, very nice and very sweet color of yellow. Okay, and that's the Achal portion, you can see Swarovski work is there in the achal. Do you see this Swarovski work? So this kind of Swarovski work is there, and here you can see some vertical linings are there, and then the entire sari you will get this kind of zari weaved border. These zaris are not very flashy one, these are very nice, color is very sober actually, and entire body you will get this kind of embroidery. Okay, these all are machine embroidery, these are not hand embroidery, I would like to mention here. And just I will put it like this so that you will get an idea how the sari is, and see it's so pretty color. It's a beautiful sari actually, it's a very beautiful sari, very gorgeous, and you can wear this kind of sari anywhere. So definitely kind of little party wear sari, but not the higher end. Okay, these are pretty budget friendly, and since Durga Puja is also around the corner and Diwali is also around the corner, so this kind of saris are good option for gifting purpose, I would say. Okay, you can gift to your near and dear one during these festivities, and along with that you can get this sari for yourself also. See, it's so pretty, and this is a organza. Okay, this is not a pure organza, this is a mixed organza. I would like to mention here, because in this price you are not going to get pure organza. Okay, so if somebody is giving in this price, definitely they are like it's a fake. Okay, simply in this price you cannot get pure organza. This kind of embroidery is there. You see this embroidery is so pretty color, it has golden work and this nice, very nice pink color work throughout the sari. It's a beautiful sari actually, and it has a very nice I would say blouse piece also, textured blouse piece, kind of little the look is like tussar silk, but this is all mixed. Okay, these all are mixed silk, but it's beautiful. Okay, this one is very beautiful. So this is our second sari. Entire sari you will get this kind of embroidery, and the color is just amazing. You can see the color, it's so pretty, and the price for this sari is, so the price for this sari is only and only 3,000. Okay, so if you like, definitely this is a good time, and we do have these saris, all these saris except this, the one I am draping at this moment, all saris are in single copy only. Okay, so if you like, definitely take a screenshot and share with us. Okay, 3,000 इसका price है, 3,000 shipping extra होगा. The next a different color in the same sari is again a pastel shade, one of my very favorite shade. This is kind of very this is either you can say it's sandalwood color or you can say it light chiku color. Okay, as totally up to you what you want to call. So tassels will be there, and Swarovski work is there, and then these linings are there, and then the entire sari you will get this nice border line. Do you see this border? Very nice. This is smart piece actually, and for entire sari you will see this embroidery. Okay, so it's a beautiful sari, the color is awesome and very like lively sari, I would say. For any function or any ceremony, you can definitely wear this kind of sari. You can pair this sari with some maybe some nice, this has a very nice blouse also. So this blouse also go very nice with the sari, because with this sari you cannot experiment with your blouse. Okay, because these are like very light shade sari, and these look very nice with the blouse provided with the sari. Okay, so this is how the entire look of the sari will be. It's a pretty sari, I would say, nice sari, and just take a look, little closer view. So this is how the embroidery is. Okay, entire sari you will get this embroidery. Okay, I totally missed to show you the lower border. Okay, so that's the lower border. It's a very beautiful border. Maybe this is looking little shinier here, but believe me, this is not at all shiny. It's very nice, very like very much blending with this fabric actually. It's very much blending, and I would like to show you the single fold of the sari also. So that's the single fold, because these all are organza, so obviously the transparency will be there. Okay, so if you put it like this, definitely this going to be the look of the sari. Okay, so beautiful sari though. Okay, so this is our third sari of today's small video. Price for this one is again same, only 3,000. Okay, so if you like, do take a screenshot and share with our WhatsApp booking number. And this is going to be the blouse piece of the sari. See the color combination, it's so good. And just if you are buying this sari, just go for this kind of petticoat. Okay, the color is amazing. If you, it's blending so nice with the fabric. Okay, so very nice blouse piece also, and very smart, like color contrast is very good. Moving to another digital Banarasi. This is little different though. The one I am wearing is different, this one is totally different. And all this digital Banarasi sari comes with a chinon silk blouse piece. So just want to show you the achal portion. So do you see the achal? It's so blending. This is a mauve color and the achal is totally blending with the like color. Okay, the zari weaved border is like zari, whatever zari they have used is totally blending with the color of the fabric. Okay, and it has all over, you will get this kind of work. Okay, throughout the sari. Do you see this weaving thing? So entire sari, that's why this is called Banarasi. So entire sari is just like that. Okay, it's kind of brocade kind of, the base is brocade, and on the top of it this digital flowers are there, digital print is there. Okay, so this is another very beautiful color, I would say. It's a ombre kind of color pattern. Here little darker shade of what do you call, mauve color. This is a little lighter shade of mauve, and again a darker shade of mauve is there. So kind of ombre pattern they have followed here, and this is how the look of the sari will be. Very classy sari, I would say, but obviously these are economical sari. So but you can, if you want, definitely you can get these saris. Okay, and these are pretty good sari also, I would say. These are not like bad quality sari at all. Like when you will get the sari in your hand, definitely you will like the fall of the sari, you will like the sari overall. So this is the next sari, and this kind of digital work has been done for the entire sari on this brocade. Okay, so it's a beautiful sari, and the blouse piece for the sari is going to be, this is the blouse piece on a floral motif. So it's another, it's a very beautiful concept actually altogether. Okay, so on floral motif, this is the blouse piece. Price for this sari is different from the one I am draping at this moment. So price for this sari is only 2,600. Okay, so just grab it if you like. Don't miss this kind of saris. Okay, so this is the beautiful digital Banarasi, 2,600. Moving to another color combination, but little different though. So this is on a ash, very light shade of ash blue kind of color, and this one has also a ombre effect. इसमें भी जो है आपको थोड़ा सा शेडिंग जैसा मिलेगा. ये इसका आंचल जा रहा है. डू यू सी द आंचल? इट्स सो प्रिटी एंड इट्स ब्लेंडिंग सो वेल. मुझे पता है कि कुछ लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लैशी चीज़ें पहनना पसंद नहीं है. सो फॉर देम दिस आर वेरी गुड ऑप्शन, एंड it's very lightweight also. These are not very heavy, these are quite lightweight. So this is the way the digital printing is going throughout the sari, and if you see the sari, you will see this kind of Banarasi bootas are there here and there. Okay, and this is on blended silk. So this is how the entire sari is going. I'll just quickly give you the glimpse of the entire look of the sari so that you will get a better idea, and you can decide whether you want this sari or not. So this is the way the sari is. This is a very good sari for little elderly people, I would say. The color is so good. Sometimes they don't want to wear very like traditional bright color. This is a very different kind of color, and I think this grey blouse is going so well with the fabric like this this sari. Okay, it's a pretty, very beautiful sari, and this is how the blouse piece is. See, the blouse piece is also so different. So when you will stitch the blouse out of this, that will also look very nice. Okay, totally a party wear kind of sari, I would say. And the price for this sari is, this is a little expensive one. This one is 3,000 rupees. Okay, it's different from that one, the previous one. Okay, so this is a 3,000 rupees, but it's a worth investing this money for this price actually. And the quality of the saris are good. I can assure you that. Okay, the next option in digital Banarasi is another floral. So this is how the achal is going. Okay, you can see nice brocade achal is there. Okay, this is how the brocade achal is going, and entire body also you will get this brocade word. Do you see the brocade thing? It's entirely, it's like that. Okay, and on the top of it you will see that digital floral prints are there. Color is just amazing, very nice soothing colors they have used, and overall काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है ना. एंड ये साड़ी में भी ombre effect है. You can see the ombre effect throughout the sari, and very beautiful sarees I would say. And दुर्गा पूजा बहुत पास में ही है, और like wedding ceremonies are also like आ ही रहा है. So definitely if you like, you can get this kind of sari. This kind of sarees will look amazing and very lightweight, easy to drape and easy to carry I would say. लाइट वेट है काफ़ी, बहुत ज़्यादा भारी नहीं है, और इजीली आप इसको कैरी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो ओवरऑल आई थिंक द लुक इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग. बहुत काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है ओवरऑल. अगर आप लुक की बात करें तो जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. ओके, सो दिस इज़ हाउ द एंटायर साड़ी विल लुक. ओके, ब्यूटीफुल वन. और जिसका जो ब्लाउज पीस है, दैट्स गोइंग टू बी द ब्लाउज पीस इन चिनॉन सिल्क. ओके, दैट्स अ चिनॉन पे है ये, और ये इस तरीके से जा रहा है, फ्लोरल पे है, कुछ डिफरेंट तरीके का है ये. ठीक है, एंड द प्राइस फॉर दिस वन इज़ अगेन 2600, 2600 प्लस शिपिंग विल बी extra. Okay, so this is how the entire sari is. Moving to another Muga cotton sari. Okay, this is Muga silk and this is Siko sari. So it's a beautiful silk and cotton sari. A beautiful piece for wedding ceremonies I would say, and lightweight है, बहुत extremely soft है, because इसमें जो है pure मूंगा and cotton mixed है. So we cannot give you silk mark certificate because it's mixed with cotton, but the feel of the saree is just amazing. Color combination is just wow. So just check out the aanchal portion. This is how the aanchal is going. It's a very nice copperish kind of zari they have used for this. And this kind of leafy pattern is there, like 4 leaves are there in the aanchal, and then the entire sari you will see this very nice border. This is a very smart kind of border है ना, इसमें जो है diamond motif बने हुए हैं, and overall ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And entire sari you will see this floral jal in weaving. Okay, this is all in zari, लेकिन बहुत ही टेस्टेड. दीज ऑल आर टेस्टेड जरी, सो ये ख़राब नहीं होता, ये आपको चुभेगा नहीं. इट विल नॉट गोइंग टू प्रिक यू. ओके, कभी कभी होते कि बहुत हार्श. दिस इज सो सॉफ्ट, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, सो सॉफ्ट, एंड you will feel the Muga cotton. It's so nice, the fabric is so good. Okay, so entirely it has this kind of floral jal, and this is talking about the lower skirt border. This is quite heavier than the upper skirt border. बहुत ही सुंदर से ग्रीन कलर पे है, एंड ओवरऑल लुक बहुत ही सुंदर है इस साड़ी का. सो ओवरऑल लुक ऑफ दिस साड़ी इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग. ओके, सो क्योंकि इसमें एक कॉटनिश फील है, एंड बट दीज आर लाइक पार्टी वेयर डेफिनेटली. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है. एंटायरली यू विल गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ जंगला ऑफ फ्लोरल जंगला, जरी विथ फ्लोरल जंगला. सो डेफिनेटली these are very good option for any party or any wedding ceremony. Okay, so this is how the entire saree is going to look. Okay, it's a beautiful combination, and the color of this one is the fabric, the base color of this saree is going to be kind of little rust color. Okay, it's neither it's maroon nor it's flashy red. Very nice color. The color is just, check out the color, it's so good, and awesome sari, and so soft and so good quality. Okay, and the blouse piece of the sari is going to be, that's the blouse piece. So you will get this kind of nice broad border for your sleeve, and for back also you can use this, and very nice combination wise this is a very good combination I would say. If you just put it like this you can understand the, oh so sorry, you put it like this and then you can understand the combination. It's a very nice combination. Overall it's a very nice combination. Okay, price for this sari is, it's little higher side because of the quality of the sari. So इसका वो कहाँ है बेटा, उसमें देखो कितना, प्लीज़ just wait for a minute. I think this is 6,000 something. कितना ये वाली? Oh, okay, great. So the price for this saree is only 4,000. कितना? 4,600. 4,600 की है ये साड़ी. Oh wow, this is amazing. The quality of the quality you are getting is just amazing in this price I would say. ठीक है? This is a Muga cotton Banarasi. Okay. Moving to the next saree now. इसी का और एक कलर है ना? अच्छा, we'll show the another design in the same saree after after a while. Okay, so next saree is a Chanderi cotton. This is a Chanderi cotton. Just check out, this is how the aanchal is going. Again a beautiful shade of mauve. आज ज़्यादातर साड़ियाँ जो है आइदर पेस्टल कलर पे है या तो बहुत अच्छा फेस्टिव कलर्स पे है. ठीक है, आइदर दे आर इन पेस्टल शेड और इन festive shades. So beautiful saree, you can see the color is so good and very nice. These are like very good option for gifting I would say. So this is how the saree is going to look. Beautiful this work, and all are in weaving. Chanderi cotton is there. Okay, it's a pure Chanderi cotton, very nice saree, and this kind of buttas are there throughout the saree. And for the blouse piece you will get this is the blouse piece. So the blouse piece is in brocade. Okay, that's the blouse piece for the saree. So it's a beautiful option. So definitely if you get this kind of blouse with this saree it will look nice. Okay, so that's our next saree. Price for this saree is let me check. Okay, so price for this saree is 2,000 only. Okay, so it's a beautiful Chanderi cotton saree in mauve color. Color is just amazing, you can see, and the aanchal is also so beautiful in 2,000. Okay, so it's a very good time to get something for this upcoming festivities I would say. ठीक है, moving to the another Muga cotton Banarasi. So these are on pure Muga and cotton. So the feel is just amazing. If you don't like the feel of stiff sari or those kind of sari, these are very good option. This is how the beautiful palla is. Okay, you see the palla, it's so amazing, very nice floral motifs are there, and then entire sari, the body color is so beautiful. It's a very traditional color combination with this rust red color. Okay, and this very beautiful shade of green, and entirely you will get this tested zari weaving pattern. Okay, so this is a jangla motif. In Banarasi they call it jangla motif, and beautiful sari. You can see the look of the sari, and it has a very broad kind of border also, which is giving a very nice look to the sari. Okay, so that's the entire sari. Beautiful option. If you like, definitely you have to take a screenshot and then share with our WhatsApp booking number. It's a beautiful sari, just amazing, and the quality, and when you will get this sari you will understand. I cannot convey at this moment, I can just tell you how the feel is, but it's really very good. Okay, and blouse piece for this sari is going to be in brocade. Okay, this is also in Muga cotton, so it's brocade, so very soft brocade I would say, and this kind of look will be for the sari. Just want to show you. Okay, so this is how the look of the sari is going to be. It's a beautiful option. Price for this one is again same, 4,600 only, okay, 4,600 plus shipping will be extra. Moving to another sari, it's a very bright and beautiful sari with a little ikkat motif in the achal, okay. So this kind of ikkat weaving, this is all in weaving, Banarasi palla will be there. In weaving, this kind of achal is there, and then the color is so different. This is kind of parrot green actually, and along with parrot green, a fuchsia pink is there, okay. So this kind of fuchsia pink color, and do you see this pattern is so good, and entire sari you will get this kind of buttas with meenakari. One will be in red, one will be in green. So meenakari buttas are there, and the lower panel you will see this very nice fuchsia pink color border line. It's a very beautiful sari, very appropriate for any function, I would say, any like a wedding ceremony, and quite different also. This sari is quite different, because if you see the achal portion is quite different. You don't see this kind of sari so often, and just I will show you how the drape will be. So definitely you can have an idea how the sari will look, okay. So this is how the sari is going to look. It's a beautiful sari, color is very nice, soft parrot green kind of color, kind of little fluorescent I will say, but it's a beautiful color. It's altogether it's looking very nice, okay. And the blouse piece of the sari is the like very beautiful, okay. So this is the in ikkat pattern, this is going to be the blouse piece, okay, with the zari weave border will be there, and that's the blouse piece, beautiful blouse piece. So when you will get this blouse with this sari, the look will be totally amazing. I cannot justify this the look of the sari at this moment, but it will look amazing, okay. So talking about the price, so the price, where is the price tag? Today I don't know where our all the price tags are. Kidhar hai? See, I am not finding it. Kahan? Okay, somewhere hiding. Okay, so the price of the sari is only 2,400. Okay, my God. So the price of the sari is only 2,400. If you're interested, go ahead and place your order. Just take a screenshot and share with us. Okay. Moving to the next sari now. Again, another a beautiful Muga Banarasi sari. This is in this one the pattern is little different from the previous two saris. So this is how the achal portion will be, again a green and brick red kind of combination, a beautiful combination, and this is how the achal will be. Do you see the achal? Some diamond motif and some floral motifs are there, and these all are tested zari, so soft and very nice zari, and entirely you will see the jangla pattern, and in this jangla pattern you will get meenakari flowers. Okay. Here you will get this green color, here pink color, again fuchsia pink is there. So meenakari floral jangla is going throughout the साड़ी, ठीक है, पूरे साड़ी में इस तरीके से मीनाकारी फ्लोरल जंग. और द मोमेंट आप जिस क्षण जो है इस साड़ी को हाथ में लेंगे, इसका सॉफ्टनेस आपको आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. ठीक है, मतलब एक कॉटनी फील है इस साड़ी में, बट ये कॉटनी फील इसलिए क्योंकि ये मूगा तसर के साथ ये कॉटन मिक्स्ड है, बट आपको पहन के बहुत अच्छा फील लगने वाला है. ठीक है, यू विल फील अमेजिंग आफ्टर ड्रेपिंग दिस साड़ी, यू विल फील अमेजिंग. क्योंकि अगर फैब्रिक इफ फैब्रिक इज़ नॉट गुड, यू विल नॉट फील comfortable anyhow. So it's a very good option, and this is how the entire look of the sari will be. A beautiful party wear sari totally, and the blouse piece of this one is also in brocade. This is the blouse piece of the sari. I'm just putting it like that so that you will get an idea how the look will be, though I cannot justify the look here, but still trying my level best. So this is how the look will be. If you want to get a 3/4 blouse or something, whatever you like, definitely will look amazing. Okay. Okay, moving to the price of this sari. Okay, I hope this time I will get the price tag Yes, so the price is same 4600, ठीक है, 4600 प्लस शिपिंग विल बी एक्स्ट्रा। बहुत प्यारा कलर है, इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट कलर, ना इधर ये रेड है ना तो ये ब्रिक रेड जो एकदम प्रॉपर ब्रिक रेड बहुत सारा ऑरेंज के साथ, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट ऑल्सो, बहुत ही प्यारा सा कलर है। Moving to another party wear sari or festive sari, you can say it's on purple color, okay, a dark shade of purple, और इसका जो है ये आंचल जा रहा है, इसमें मीनाकारी पैसले है, here you will get some मीनाकारी पैसले and all over body you will get this kind of मीनाकारी जरी वीविंग, ठीक है, जरी वीविंग पे है और सुंदर साड़ी है, काफ़ी इकोनॉमिकल है एंड ब्यूटीफुल है आई वुड से, ठीक है, कलर बहुत सुंदर है। दिस इज़ हाउ द साड़ी इज़ गोइंग टू लुक एंड जस्ट want to show you the entire look of the साड़ी when you will drape this साड़ी and पूरे बॉडी में इस तरीके से बूटे बने हुए हैं, ओके, सो पूरा लुक जो है साड़ी का कुछ इस तरीके से आने वाला है, बहुत ही मतलब प्यारा सा साड़ी है आई वुड से, ठीक है। Price for this one is again 2400 only. So if you like, definitely you can take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp booking number. The blouse piece for this saree is going to be, this is on running blouse piece with this nice border. Moving to the another saree. Next saree की तरफ हम जा रहे हैं. Same saree, color change. Okay, color is so sweet. ग्रीन कलर है, एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा ग्रीन है। जस्ट चेक आउट द आंचल पोर्शन, सिमिलर आंचल इज देयर मीनाकारी के साथ, यू विल गेट मीनाकारी इन दिस पैटर्न। इफ आई शो यू लिटिल क्लोजर वी, यू कैन सी दिस लिटिल ऑरेंज कलर एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो, ठीक है, एंड देन यू विल सी this kind of options are there here. A beautiful like border line is going throughout the saree, and then I'm just putting it here so that you will get an idea how the look will be. So this is going to be the look of the saree, okay. The color is so good and I hope you are liking the color. Just want to show you. So this is how the entire look of the saree will be. It's a beautiful green color saree, okay, and just check out the meenakari motifs, and the blouse piece is in running. This is on running blouse piece. So this is how the blouse piece is going, okay. Price for this one is again 2400 only, same price as the previous saree. Moving to another digital Banarasi saree, okay. So the next one is another digital Banarasi. This is also the same pastel color shade, but the floral patterns are little different here. So just check out this brocade kind of archal portion. You can see this kind of archal is there. It's very nice, and these floral portions are going throughout the saree, okay. This kind of floral portions are going throughout the saree. इसमें पूरा ब्रोकेट से पूरा बना हुआ है, वीविंग में है, एंटायरली वीव्ड है, और इसके ऊपर जो है फ्लोरल डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग करा गया है। सो काइंड ऑफ ट्रेंडी साड़ी आई वुड से, इकोनॉमिकल है, बजट फ्रेंडली है। इफ़ यू लाइक टू वेयर दिस काइंड ऑफ साड़ी फॉर एनी पार्टीज, डेफिनेटली यू कैन, ओके, अच्छा लगेगा, कुछ डिफरेंट, द लुक इज़ रियली डिफरेंट फॉर दिस साड़ी। सो दिस इज़ द एंटायर लुक ऑफ द साड़ी, ओके। प्राइस फॉर दिस साड़ी इज़ अगेन, आई थिंक इट्स अ सिमिलर प्राइस एज द प्रीवियस वंस, येस, इट्स 2600, ओके। Moving to the next saree, okay, I totally forgot to show you the blouse piece. So this is on chinon silk, ये इसका blouse piece है। Moving to the next saree now. Next saree is another beautiful green color saree, बहुत ही प्यारा green है, the one I love, I really love this color, okay. और इसका आंचल देखिए, just check out the आंचल, it has a very nice blue color आंचल, and then it's a totally different kind of आंचल. Again you will see this kind of paisley motif in the आंचल, so the आंचल is totally different and the saree is also very different, I would say, ठीक है। सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ग्रीन कलर साड़ी एंड आंचल इज़ टोटली डिफरेंट, अ कंप्लीट पार्टी वेयर काइंड ऑफ साड़ी आई वुड से। और इसका जो सैल्वेज, जो इसका जो जरी विव्ड बॉर्डर है बहुत प्यारा है, काइंड ऑफ लिटिल टूवर्ड्स एंटिक कलर में है, इट्स नॉट अ फ्लैशी वन। और उसमें सैल्वेज जो है ब्लू कलर का सैल्वेज लाइनिंग जा रही है, एंड एंटायरली यू विल गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ मोटिव्स, ओके, एंड ऑल आर इन zari weaved. Okay, these are so good and all tested zari, so very nice soft quality. So this is how the entire look of the sari. The color is amazing, just amazing. Okay, just want to show you little better. Okay, so this is how the entire look of the, it's a different kind of sari, totally a different kind of sari. Today's actually most of the saris are little different kind, I would say. So this is how the entire look of the sari will be. Okay, price for this sari I'm just telling you. I just want to show you the blouse piece first. Okay, so the blouse piece for this sari is going to be in this nice navy blue color with this border line. Okay, it's a beautiful combination, very nice combination sari, I would say. And the price of the sari is going to be only 2,500. Okay, so if you like, do take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp booking number, that is 789-765-3873. 2,500, 2500 की साड़ी है, plus shipping will be extra. Moving to another one of my favorite color. This is also on kind of chandan color, like sandalwood color, or you can say it like chiku color also, whatever you want. So ये है इसका बनारसी आंचल, एंड देन ये इसका बॉर्डर लाइन है, बहुत ही सुंदर है, एंड देन एंटायरली यू विल गेट दिस बूटास थ्रू आउट द साड़ी. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ द साड़ी इज गोइंग टू लुक. It's a beautiful, some people do like this kind of very pastel and very light shade, and along with that if you pair this साड़ी with any brocade blouse के साथ अगर पहनते हैं, red, maroon या कुछ अच्छे से कलर्स में पहनते हैं, the look of the entire look will be totally different. ठीक है, ये काइंड ऑफ बहुत अच्छा सा एक पार्टी वेयर साड़ी है, बहुत ही ग्रैंड इसका आंचल है, ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी. एंड इसका जो ब्लाउज पीस है वो ब्लाउज पीस यहाँ है, दिस इज़ द ब्लाउज पीस, रनिंग में है, और ये इसका बॉर्डर लाइन है. ओके, ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी. एंड प्राइस फॉर दिस साड़ी इज़, ओके, सो द प्राइस फॉर दिस साड़ी इज़ 2,900 की साड़ी है ये. ओके, क्वालिटी इज़ गुड, वेरी नाइस क्वालिटी, एंड यू विल लाइक द साड़ी डेफिनेटली. ओके, 2,900, 2,900 की साड़ी है, और शिपिंग विल बी 100 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा फॉर ईच साड़ी. मूविंग टू अनदर साड़ी, कहाँ से है? Okay, so this is another beautiful sari we do have. This is entirely a different ग्रे के ऊपर जो है ग्रीन कलर की वीविंग पे पूरी साड़ी जा रही है, ब्रोकेट पे है ये, और जरी पे बॉर्डर है. दिस इज़ हाउ द लुक ऑफ द साड़ी विल बी. ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी एंड entirely on weaving and very different color also. Like अगर आप थोड़े से ओल्ड एज की तरफ जा रहे हैं, आपको अगर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लैशी कलर्स नहीं पसंद है, यू कैन डेफिनेटली ऑप्ट दिस साड़ी. और इवन आपका एज कुछ भी क्यों ना हो, आप डेफिनेटली इस साड़ी को पहन सकते हैं. अगर आपको अच्छी लग रही हो, ये पहन सकते हैं रिगार्डलेस ऑफ योर एज. ठीक है, बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी है. डू यू सी दिस पैटर्न इज़ सो गुड. ठीक है, ये इसका पूरा पैटर्न है, इस तरह के डायमंड मोटिव में जा रहा है, और ये इसका बॉर्डर जा रहा है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्लाउज पीस ऑफ द साड़ी, सो द ब्लाउज पीस ऑफ द साड़ी इज़ गोइंग टू बी, दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी द ब्लाउज पीस. ठीक है, ये इसका ब्लाउज पीस जा रहा है, डिफरेंट, थोड़े से डिफरेंट तरीके की साड़ी है ये. ठीक है, एंड प्राइस फॉर दिस साड़ी इज़ गोइंग टू बी ओनली 2,600. ठीक है, 2,600 की ये साड़ी है. So moving to the another sari. Another sari is a kind of, this is a चंदेरी कॉटन साड़ी विथ लोटस मोटिव है. ठीक है, ये इसका आंचल जा रहा है, जस्ट चेक आउट द आंचल, बहुत सुंदर जरी वीविंग पे है आंचल, एंड देन एंटायरली यू विल गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ लोटस मोटिव. कलर है थोड़ा सा मरूनिश, मरून कलर पे है ये टोटल साड़ी जो है, बट सुंदर है. द कलर इज़ ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी बजट फ्रेंडली, वेरी आफ्टर लाइक व्हेन आई विल टेल यू द प्राइस यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. इट्स वेरी इकोनॉमिकल एंड वेरी नाइस साड़ी, गुड क्वालिटी, नाइस साड़ी. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द लुक ऑफ द साड़ी विल बी आफ्टर व्हेन यू विल ड्रेप दिस साड़ी. ये कुछ इस तरीके से जाने वाला है. ठीक है, दिस इज़ हाउ द लुक इज़, सो ब्यूटीफुल, सी इट्स सो नाइस. एंड इसका जो है रनिंग में ब्लाउज पीस है. एंड प्राइस फॉर दिस साड़ी इज़ इसका जो है प्राइस, ओके, प्राइस इज़ ओनली 2000, सिर्फ 2000 की है ये साड़ी। ओके, सो इफ़ यू लाइक डोंट डिले, just take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp booking number. Moving to another very different kind of sari. This is I called it a peacock sari. ब्लैक कलर पे है, ठीक है, मिक्स तसर पे है ये। दिस इज़ ऑन मिक्स तसर एंड ब्लैक कलर पे है एंड दिस इज़ द आंचल पोर्शन ऑफ द साड़ी। ओके, डू यू सी दिस नाइस पीकॉक मोटिव, ये इसका आंचल पोर्शन पे है एंड देन ओके हियर यू गो। सो ब्लैक पे है, जरी विव्ड बॉर्डर है एंड बहुत सुंदर सा यहाँ पे एक डिज़ाइनर काइंड ऑफ साड़ी है ये। पीकॉक मोटिव पे है, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल पीकॉक मोटिव यू कैन सी एंड द एंटायर साड़ी इज़ जस्ट लाइक दैट विथ पीकॉक मोटिव जो है ये सारे वीविंग पे है। दिस ऑल आर इन वीविंग। इफ़ यू सी लिटिल क्लोजर व्यू you will see this kind of ghicha looking, but this is not ghicha, this is in actually in thread work. These all are in weaving पे है ये, ठीक है। So entirely the look of the saree is going to be something like this. ओके, बहुत प्यारा साड़ी है, बहुत डिफरेंट है, बहुत सॉफिस्टिकेटेड लुक है इस साड़ी का, ठीक है। एंड इसका जो है ब्लाउज पीस मैं दिखाऊंगी। प्राइस पहले बता देती हूँ, मुझे टैग मिल गया है। सो प्राइस फॉर दिस साड़ी इज़ 4000। ओके, काफ़ी सुंदर साड़ी है ये, एक्चुअली बहुत सुंदर है, डिफरेंट, वेरी डिफरेंट। आई डोंट, यू विल नॉट सी दिस काइंड ऑफ साड़ी ऑफन एंड द ब्लाउज पीस फॉर दिस साड़ी इज़ गोइंग टू बी ब्रोकेट पे है। दिस इज़ द ब्लाउज पीस। ओके, दैट्स द ब्लाउज पीस, टोटली डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मतलब पैटर्न है, ठीक है। एंड देन एंटायर साड़ी में आपका जो है इस तरीके से जो है वीविंग पे ट्री मोटिव और पीकॉक मोटिव है, ठीक है। एंड 4000 इज़ द प्राइस। बस यहीं तक रहने दें। सो नेक्स्ट साड़ी, सो दिस इज़ द लास्ट साड़ी ऑफ टूडेज वीडियो। द कलर ऑफ दिस साड़ी इज़ काइंड ऑफ एक्वा ब्लू काइंड ऑफ कलर। ये भी जो है चंदेरी कॉटन पे है। आंचल देखिए, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल आंचल, यू कैन सी हियर एंड कलर बहुत डिफरेंट है, कलर इज़ सो डिफरेंट आई वुड से। एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द एंटायर लुक ऑफ द साड़ी विल बी। बहुत सुंदर है एंड कलर वाइज बहुत डिफरेंट कलर है, काइंड ऑफ वेरी नाइस लाइट एक्वा ब्लू, ठीक है। दिस इज़ द एंटायर साड़ी लुक एंड दैट्स द वे is going to look. Okay, overall it's a beautiful saree. Just want to show you little closer view. ये इसका zari weaved border है and the blouse piece of the saree is going to be in running, plain running पे है and border will be there for your sleeves. So that's all for today's video. We'll come up with बस last हो गया है। So that's all for today's video. आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा है, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट साड़ी, ट्राई टू शो यू सम डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ साड़ी टुडे एंड होप यू लाइक्ड इट एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियो एंड फॉर लविंग अस एंड बाय फॉर नाउ, टेक केयर यू ऑल, बाय बाय।